This is probably the most beautiful waterfalls that I've ever seen. If you're watching this, don't tell anyone about it. We made it to the bus station here in Kurandadal. Today we're on our way to Asik Asik Falls. From what we've seen, it's a really beautiful waterfall. Traveling towards it today and then going to the actual waterfalls tomorrow. This is like the closest town that you can get to Asik Asik Falls, so we'll make our journey tomorrow morning the rest of the way to Asik Asik Falls. Luckily we found a place to stay here and now we're eating dinner at this barbecue place on the street. Past few days we were doing some research how to get to Asik Asik Falls. We found info to go to Midsayap and then also some info that you could stay in Alamada. But as we were traveling to Alamada, we couldn't find any lodging online. So we were just hoping that when we got here, we could find a place to stay. And thankfully, we were able to find this place, Jued Inn and Resto. It's not great, but it's not bad. We're just waiting for our motorcycle rides, our habal-habals to arrive. They were supposed to come at 6. They're really late, so I don't know what's going on.
They are late, but it's okay. Sabi nga nila, makararating ka rin sa iyong paroroonan. Now we're here together with Mr. Aldrin Cordero. So anong ine-expect ko sa Asik Asik Falls?
Maganda siya. Wonderful.
Define
amazing.
Inuman kayo, no?
Here they are finally. Here we go on our way. We have a 1 hour ride to go here and then a hike as well. Very beautiful drive, Aldrin behind us. We're here now at the registration spot for Asik Asik Falls and we're gonna eat breakfast here. And we just found out you can stay here as well. You can stay overnight here. We weren't able to contact her last night because there was no signal for her. Anong tawag dito ulit?
Pastel.
Pastel. These are
pastel or pastel?
Rice with a little bit of meat on the top. So we're just eating breakfast now and then we're gonna start our trek down.
Adventure starts now.
This is it, the final approach. The final approach is here. We're approaching Asik Asik Falls. The magical, oh my gosh, I can see it almost. The magical falls that come out. Look, this is crazy though. The river is flowing against the falls. So the river is flowing this way and the falls are coming out this way. How is that even possible, right? this is it. We're gonna head in the water. It's super freezing cold. So cold. Bye-bye, Asik Asik waterfalls. Until next time. Go. The journey going back up. Going down was really easy. Now we're gonna have to make the journey going up the stairs. So many steps going up. On the way down to the waterfall, it took us about 10 to 15 minutes. On the way back up right now, almost 30 minutes. And we have lunch awaiting us at the top.
So hello, I'm Jam from Alamada. So ito po yung Asik Asik po. So grabe. Napakalamig pero hindi pa ako nakaligo doon. Hello, I'm Yusef from Kabakan rin. Try nyo sa Asik Asik. Maganda po dito, malamig. Punta na kayo!
See you back in Alamada.
We ended up from Alamada. We ended up going all the way to Midsayap and staying here for the night because we couldn't find any rides going to Cagayan de Oro. So we're about to leave in a couple hours to Cagayan de Oro, and then our flight is later tonight. So hopefully we can explore a little bit in Cagayan de Oro before we leave tonight.
Morning! So you better check the schedule if you want to go to Sydney.
Made it to Cagayan de Oro, and now we just have to wait for our flight because it's later at 10 p.m. Alright, this is it, the end of our trip. We're heading back to Manila. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.